Hi friends, this is Gautam. In this video tutorial, I am going to discuss about what is a default gateway. So what is the use of default gateway and how we can configure default gateway and when we have to use default gateway. So everything we have to discuss in this video session. Let's we can see. So when a host wants to reach a destination network, but that is an outside of his own network means, so that time we have to use a default gateway. So either we can use router or multi-layer switch as a default gateway. So multi-layer switch means it's a layer 3 switch. So when a PC try to ping PC2, so PC1 and PC2 both of them are different network. So that time PC1 use a default gateway. So through the default gateway PC1 to reach the destination network. Okay, in this video session I will explain how host knows when to use the default gateway or not and how it works behind the scene. So we can see. So this is my example scenario. So here I am using two PC and one switch. So PC1 I will assign the IP as 172.16.0.1/16 and PC2 I will assign the IP as 172.16.0.2/24. Sorry, /16. So above we have two hosts. So connected to a switch. I am using 172.16.0.0/16 network. So when host wants to send something to another host, then it will check if the destination is inside or outside our own network. So in above example, both PCs are under same network. So when the destination is in same network, then it will use ARP to find the MAC address of the destination. It can send the IP packet. So how does the host check if the destination is in the same network or not? So let's we explain. So this is done by checking the subnet mask. So for my example, PC1 172.16.0.1 and PC2 172.16.0.2. So PC1 considered as a source and PC2 considered as a destination, and the subnet mask is 255.255.0.0. So the subnet mask is 255.255.0.0 means first 16 bits should be a network bits and last 16 bits should be an host bits. So the network bit should be in same, then only the destination IP should be in same network. If the first 16 bits should be in different means the destination network should be in different network. We can see. So source IP I just convert into binary format and destination IP I converted into binary format and subnet mask also I converted into binary format. So we can see first two octet of source and destination. So both of them are same. So now PC1 conclude the destination IP is and same network. So here we can see the subnet mask tells us which part of the IP address is network and host part. So host that use 172.16.0.1 sees that 172.16.0.2 using exact same network address. So we'll know that it can use our packet to find the MAC address. So now we can create the Ethernet frame and we have to encapsulate the IP packet and send it towards the switch. Now it can communicate. Okay, so this is my another example scenario. Here I am using one router and two PC. So router 1 to PC1 is a different network and router 1 to PC2 is a different network. So router 1 connecting towards the PC. So that port I will assign IP as 192.168.100.254 and PC I will assign 100.1. So router 1 to PC2 I am using 192.168.200.254 for Ethernet 1 interface. Then PC2 200.1. So above we have two hosts and two networks. So that is 192.168.100.0 and 192.168.200.0. Okay, so in between there is a router. We have two interface. So one interface pointing towards PC1. That interface I will assign the IP as 100.254 and router 1 to PC2. So pointing towards, so that interface Ethernet 1 I will assign the IP as 200.254. So this both of them are gateway for PC1 and PC2. Okay, so now PC source IP is 192.168.100.1 and destination IP 192.168.200.1. Then subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. So just convert into the binary format, and here the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. So first three octets should be in same network, should be same, then only it's in same network. If it's different means it will be a different network. So the source IP and destination IP, I am checking the binary format. So first octet same, second octet same, but in third octet there is a difference. So source here 0, here 1. So that means source and destination is a two different network, not a same network. So likewise PC1 can identify the destination is in same network or different network. Okay, so now these two hosts are not in same network. You can see that third octet is different. So our host will know that it cannot reach the destination directly. So it will use default gateway. So now PC1 directly cannot reach directly to PC2. So it can use default gateway for this. So it will be up to the router to get this IP packet to the destination. So what happen is that host will use HARP to find out the MAC address of default gateway. So once it has the MAC address of the default gateway, it will create an Ethernet frame and then have the MAC address of the default gateway in the destination field. So the IP packet will be same, source and destination IP, it won't change. If it's changed means the packet will be dropped. So the PC1 to PC2, the source and destination IP should be in same, but the MAC address will be changing while the packet is traveling from source to destination. Okay friends. So here PC1, PC2. So PC1 source IP 192.168.100.1 and destination IP is 200.1, and PC1 uses source IP. PC1 uses own IP as a own MAC address as a source MAC address, and destination MAC address is default gateway MAC address. Now the packet will be sending to the router. From the router, source IP is same, destination IP is same. Now they remove the source MAC address, so they can added the router 1 Ethernet 1 MAC address as a source MAC address and destination MAC address as a PC2 Ethernet 0 MAC address. Now the packet will be sent to the PC. So now the PC2 will reply to router and router to PC1. So likewise the PC1 and PC2 will communicate. So the overview of this video is, so what is the default gateway means. So if PC1 try to communicate with PC2, if both of them are same network means it won't use default gateway. If PC1 is different network and PC2 is different network means that time PC1 use as a default gateway to reach the PC2. Okay friends, I hope this session is helpful to understand how the host determine when to use their default gateway. So if you have any queries, please ping me in the below comment section. I will reply to your answer to your query. So thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel for further updates and share to your friends also. Thank you friends. Thank you.